ang bilis ng panahon, 16 na po kayo. Ang wish ko lang po is bibigyan po kayo ng maraming birthday na darating at magandang kalusugan at lakasan sa araw-araw. Lagi po kayong mag-ingat, ganun din po ang inyong pamilya. God bless po, is muli happy birthday. Love you!
Hi BFF! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ellen. Happy birthday po, Tita Ellen.
God bless you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
God bless you!
Ellen, happy birthday. I hope your day is filled with lots of love and laughter and all the things that make you happiest. You deserve nothing but the best today and every day. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At saka pasensya na talagang hindi kasi ako makapunta ngayon. Pero I hope makapag-schedule tayo soon ni Leia at Lourdes Tiglao. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ellen. Happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. I'm wishing you more happiness, more blessings, good health, and long life. Gusto ko tang pasalamatan. Thank you for our friendship. Thank you for being a good friend. Ikaw agad ang naiisip ko at kinokontak ko pag may mga problema ko. Lalo na pang mga doktor, paano ba yung iinumin ng gamot, paano ba ang gagawin. Kasi alam ko, expert ka dyan sa dami na inaalagaan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Thank you for being a good friend of mine. God bless. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mars! Hello! Surprise! Happy birthday! Oh my God! You turned 60! Welcome to the club! And also thank you for Christine for inviting me as one of your friend who nababati sa'yo. Sorry Christine naging last minute tuloy itong aking pagbati kasi panay yung promise ko sa kanya tomorrow kasi magme-makeup pa ang tita mo. Pero what the heck? Hindi ko na mahintay. Anyway, Mars, how does it feel being 60 now? I guess, welcome to the club now. Being, through my own experience, I'm enjoying life naman. Aside from yung nakikita ko, may apo na ako, 3. I have more freedom to sleep. Hindi ko na kailangan gumising ng maaga. At si Mader naman, okay naman siya. So, kaya lang malayo nga sa akin. Pero pag ganitong ako nandito lang ako sa bahay. And I also thankful and I treasure our friendship. Dahil kasi talaga naman na masyado talagang ang binabalyo ko yung paano tayo nag-umpisa. I remember sabay yata tayo nag-apply sa isang sikat na mall, and then tapos ikaw ang sinuwerte kasi maganda ang aking kaibigan at mataas pa. Hindi ko yata destiny yun, Mars. Pero since then naman, naging close tayo. And the family too. And hanggang sa naging kumare. Hanggang sa ngayon. Buti na lang may Facebook at nakikita tayo dito. At of course, magkikita pa ulit. Ano ba plano mo now? You are 60. Any plan for the coming days, months, and years? Nako, Mars. Enjoy ka na lang, stress free as much as you can. Kahit hindi mo maiiwasan yon, pero you go like this to the kids, you learn how to deal with it. Kaya na ginagawa ko, Di ba? Tapos na ako. Kayo naman. pero, lalo na sabihin mo kay Christine, nako, sige, magka-baby na sila at talagang lalo kong mag-e-enjoy. Yun ang masasabi ko sa iyo. Iba talaga pag may apo ka na. Again, Mariko, happy birthday. Magkita ulit tayo. Thank you again kay Christine at parang Ellen at kay tatay. Kumusta na lang sa inyong lahat?
Hi, Tita Len!
Ate
Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday. I wish you nothing but the best in this life. More years to celebrate with your loved ones and more blessings to come. Happy birthday! We love you and miss you.
Hi, Tita Len. I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done in this family, in our family, especially with Nanay and Tatay. You deserve all the best things in life, Tita Len. Take care always. Love you. Miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday, Len.
Happy 60th birthday. May God grant the desires of your heart and may He bless you always with good health and happiness. Love you, sis. Enjoy your special day. God bless you always. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday. God bless.
God bless.
Enjoy your special day. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like